Need business leads from Google Maps? Let me show you the fastest way to export them to a spreadsheet. Install Leads Exporter for Google Maps. It adds a toolbar right at the bottom of your search results. Click Export All Leads. The extension automatically scrolls through every result and extracts business names, addresses, phone numbers, websites, and ratings. Watch the progress in real time. Open the extension pop-up to preview your data. You can see all 25 leads with full details. Select the ones you want or keep them all. Click Export CSV to download your spreadsheet instantly. Every lead includes name, address, phone, website, rating, review count, and category. Basic plan gives you 50 leads per day in CSV format. Upgrade to Pro for just $4.9 a month for unlimited leads and Excel export. Get Leads Exporter for Google Maps from the Chrome Web Store. Link in the description below.